Hi guys, welcome to Championcraft, and this is the 8th video in the series of Prometheus Certified Associate course. In the previous video we have seen a demo where we have installed the Prometheus server in Ubuntu machine, and this is the documentation of that video. If you haven't watched that video, I will leave the video link in cards as well as in the description. Please check out and come back. So as a first step, what we have done is we have visited this website where we have different files of Prometheus with respect to the OS like Mac OS, Windows and Linux. Since we have opted for Ubuntu machine, I have selected this one which says Linux. So I copied the link from there and have ran this command like wget and the URL. This URL will download the package required by the Prometheus server installation. If you see here, we got a response 200 OK, which means that package is successfully downloaded into our Ubuntu machine. Then after, we need to extract that package in order to see its content. For that, I'm using tar xvf and the package name. That will actually unwrap all the files inside that package. If you see, we have from tool, notice and two folders, two directories, basically consoles and console libraries, and also a configuration file prometheus.yaml and a license file and a Prometheus executable. Now let's navigate into that folder using cd, and if you do ls-lert, you will see all the files listed with additional details. If you closely observe, we need to focus on three things to the most. The first one is Prometheus, and this is the application executable, and this is the file we will be using to start the Prometheus server on our Ubuntu machine. And this is a prompt tool. Prompt tool will help us in validating the configuration file of Prometheus, that is prometheus.yaml, which is a configuration file. We'll keep all the configuration in prometheus.yaml, and then in order to start the server, we just need to run the executable using /prometheus. Soon after you run that, our Prometheus server will run in foreground, and you can see a line saying the listening on address 1990, which means our Prometheus server will be running on 1990. So I need to copy my public IP of Ubuntu server to my clipboard and go to web browser, and I need to append the 1990 port. If I hit enter, boom, I can actually get the Prometheus server UI. Now let us check whether the Prometheus server is running properly or not. As we already discussed, a simple command to test is up. If you give the prompt kill up and hit execute, you will see one record. This is the record related to Prometheus. So basically the point here is the Prometheus is configured to monitor itself by default. So this confirms that Prometheus is up and running successfully on our Ubuntu machine. Thank you guys, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.